Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am from Bahria Colleges, PNET. This is your maths class for class 5. Today in our class, the topic of our discussion is reflex angle. We will learn how to calculate reflex angle and we will also learn how to draw reflex angles. First of all, I will explain what is reflex angle. Reflex angles are angles measuring greater than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees. The measure of a reflex angle is added to an acute or obtuse angle to make a full 360 degree circle. So in this definition, we see that reflex angle is the larger angle and it is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. If you choose the smaller angle, you might have an acute angle or an obtuse angle instead. The larger angle is the reflex angle. And we know that the degrees of a circle is 360 degree, or we can say a complete turn have 360 degrees. When we add our acute angle or obtuse angle to reflex angle, it make 360 degree circle. Now let's see what are the main steps to draw a reflex angle. You can see on your screen. Number 1, subtract the reflex angle from 360 degree. Then draw the resulting angles as described earlier. It's mean first we subtract the given angle from 360 degree and we will draw that acute or obtuse angle by using protractor. Number 2, the required angle is outside the one that has been drawn. It's mean we have inside angle and outside angle as well. The angle that is outside is the reflex angle. And the number 3, mark the angle with a small arc. It's mean we will draw an arc to represent the reflex angle. And the last step is label the angle. Means you have to write that specific measurement of reflex angle on the diagram. Here I have just shared a picture to show the reflex angle which is with blue color in the diagram, and we label reflex angle in this way. Here I have one example to drawing a reflex angles. To draw reflex angle using 180 degree protractor, and we have to draw an angle 240 degree. So we will subtract 243 degree from 360 degree and the result will be 117 degree. So draw an angle of 116 degree. The reflex angle will be the required 243 degree. Now mark the reflex angle 243 degree, as you can see in the red color reflex angle has shown. Now we move to our exercise 7a, question number 7, part A. In question number 7, you have to calculate the reflex angles using a protractor. That is the question. Now see the part A. First see the diagram and then measure the angle that is given with measuring protractor. That angle will be, when we measure that angle in diagram A, the angle is 130 degree. Now we will subtract 130 degree from 360 degree. The result will be 230 degree. Now you can see these steps on your screen also. Number 1, in step number 1, we measure an acute or obtuse angle which is given in the diagram, and we have that angle XYZ is equal to 130 degree. Now in step 2, we will subtract that angle, means 130 degree angle, from 360 degree angle to get the reflex angle. So we will write like this: reflex angle XYZ is equal to 360 degree minus 130 degree, which is equivalent to 230 degree. And now you can see in the diagram of question number 7, part A, 130 degree is the internal angle which were given, and we have subtract 130 from 360. So the reflex angle is equivalent to 230 degree outside the angle. Similarly, in question number 7 part B, first of all you will see the diagram and you will measure the internal angle. Step 1 will be measure an acute or obtuse angle. Here in this diagram we have angle RST, inner angle is 30 degree. You can see in the diagram, first of all I have measured the angle which is inside which were given, which is equivalent to 30 degree. Now in step 2, subtract the acute angle from 360 degree to get the reflex angle. Now we will subtract 30 degree from 360 degree, and you can see that in pink color 330 degree reflex angle has shown. Now move to the question number 8. In question number 8 you have to draw the reflex angle with the help of protractor. In question number 7 you have to calculate the reflex angle, and now in question number 8 you have to draw the reflex angles. See the first part, reflex angle PQR is equal to 320 degree. In first part we have given reflex angle PQR is equal to 320 degree. To draw reflex angle we will subtract 320 degree from 360 degree. The result will be 40 degree. Now by using protractor, you can see on your screen also. Now by using protractor, draw an angle of 40 degree. Now label the reflex angle PQR outside the angle which is 320 degree. Step of construction for reflex angle also given. Now see the second part of question number 8. We have given reflex angle WXY which is equivalent to 290 degree. Similarly as previous question, we will subtract 290 degree from 360 degree, and the result will be 70 degree. So we will draw by using protractor, we will draw 70 degree angle. Draw 70 degree by using protractor, and then in step 2 you have to mention the reflex angle and mark the outside angle 290 degree which were given in the question, which is reflex angle, and in the diagram with orange color I have shown the reflex angle. Hopefully you will understand how to calculate the reflex angle and how to draw the reflex angle. After watching this video, you have to do question number 7 part C and D and question number 8 part C and D. All the best.